Hello guys, welcome in RRU classes. Today we will study electromagnetic field theory. And first we will start Coulomb's law and Lorentz law. In Coulomb's law, what is Coulomb's law? There will be a force between 2 point charges and this force will be directly proportional to the product of Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So F is directly proportional to the Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Combining both the equations, Q1 Q2 upon R square, or F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square, and this force will be along the line joining both the charges. So the K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This will be equal to about 9 into 10 power 9 meter per farad. So we can write F is equal to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square in AR directed. What does mean of AR directed? If there is a force on Q2 because of Q1, so the force will be F12, 1 to 2, and this F12 will be AR12 directed, right? AR12 directed. And what is AR12? Vector R2 minus R1 divided by mod of R2 by minus R1. So we can arrange this force formula as F is equal to Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square AR directed into Q2, right? And this is electric field intensity E because of Q1 and Q2. So in general we can write F is equal to E into Q. So from here we can say a charge will experience a force if it is placed in an electric field, and this force will be either attractive or repulsive, right? Because of this force it will start to move if it is free, and the path will be linear path. This force will change the kinetic energy of charge. This will change the kinetic energy of charge. So because of this force the charge will acquires energy. Charge will acquire energy, right? The force will be attractive or repulsive. Because of this it will start to move if it is free, and the path will be linear path. Force will change the kinetic energy, and so the charge acquires energy in electric field. Here one point is very important to consider, that Q is in either in stationary or in moving in electric field. The electric force Fe will apply on charge Q if it is placed in an electric field, and this charge may be in stationary position or in moving position. Next, Lorentz law. To start Lorentz law, first we will study magnetic force. What is magnetic force? If a charge is moving in a magnetic field, the charge will experience a force, and that force is only a deflecting force. How? Let us see. This force will be perpendicular to the both velocity and magnetic field. Like this, the force is perpendicular to velocity, also perpendicular to displacement. So the F dot dl work done is F dl cos theta, and because of perpendicular, theta is 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. So work done is 0. So now in this board there is a magnetic field and the charge is moving in this direction. The velocity of charge is this. Then there will be a perpendicular force, and because of this force the charge will start to move in this direction. The direction of movement will change. Consider this is the direction of velocity. Again the perpendicular force, its direction will change. Consider at this point the velocity is in this direction, perpendicular to the velocity. The force will be like this, and again it will move in this direction, and so the again perpendicular to the velocity. So the path of the charge is circular path, and in this case this force is deflecting force. This is force, 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 velocity, 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 perpendicular to the velocity, force, perpendicular to the velocity, force. Right? So from here we can say the force is deflecting force. And the charge does not acquire any energy. Does not acquire energy. In this case, there is required charge to be moved. Charge should move. So if a charge is placed at a place where electric field and magnetic field both are present, then the total force will be Fe plus Fm, electric force plus magnetic force, and from here we can say Fe is QE, and here Q into V cross B, right? So this equation is known as Lorentz force equation. Lorentz force equation. If charge has the mass of m, so from here we can say from a Newton's second law, which says m into du by dt is equal to force is equal to this QE plus Q into V cross B. So we can say Lorentz force equation is it relates between mechanical force and electrical force. Mechanical force and electrical force. It relates mechanical force and electrical force. Right? Here one thing is important. If both the field is present, electric field and magnetic field, the energy transfer will be only because of electric field. I have proved that electric field will apply a force that is attractive or repulsive, and magnetic field apply a force, only a deflecting force, and because of deflecting force charge does not acquire any energy, while in case of electric field, electric force, because of electric force charge acquires the energy. So energy transfer is only because of electric fields. Thank you.